This is Megan Burke with Park City Television, and vacation season will be here soon. International tourism is growing at its fastest pace in 7 years, and if you're going out of the country, now is the time to start planning. Joining us today with some international travel tips is the two-time Emmy Award winner and Peabody Award-winning journalist, Claudia Lombana. Welcome, Claudia Lombana. How are you?
Hi, Megan. I'm great. Thanks so much for having me on.
Absolutely. Now, Claudia, worldwide tourism is big business. Where should we start planning a dream vacation?
It is really big business globally. I mean, last year alone, $8.3 trillion were spent on international travel, with 1.3 billion people traveling around the world. So certainly big business, very significant and important to the global economy. For you personally, when you're planning a trip, now is a good time for summer travel. 2 to 3 months in advance, generally speaking, is a good time for people to start booking their travel to find the best deals. You can also set up fare alerts on a variety of travel websites, travel search engines that help you keep track of when prices are fluctuating, whether they're going up or whether they're going down, and when the best time to purchase for your particular destination might be. Another thing that I think is important for people to try is searching tickets one way. By searching one-way tickets versus round-trip tickets, oftentimes you can find lower prices. Also, purchasing on Tuesdays at 3 p.m. Eastern, noon Pacific is a good trick to find lower prices. That's when airlines release their inventory, and you can potentially find a lower price for your destination.
Excellent. What are some of the top concerns people have when they're vacationing in another country?
Yeah, it can be a little bit daunting to go to a place you've never been before, maybe where a foreign language is spoken. Visa has a global travel intentions study that comes out every single year, and last year this study found that the #1 concern for people abroad when traveling is the loss or theft of cash. So carrying cash is not necessary. Visa says go cashless, go cash-free. Drop the insecurity of carrying cash with you and use your Visa card instead. It's more secure, it's more convenient, and you don't have to deal with carrying cash and feeling anxious or stressed out about that. Another study data point that came out is that 87% of leftover cash 87% of people come home, rather, with leftover cash. $123 worth of leftover cash they're coming home with because they've exchanged money in the foreign country, and now they're coming back with this foreign currency that they're not going to exchange back to local, and they get stuck with about $123 worth of foreign currency that they're never going to use, so that's wasted money. So another great reason to go cash-free when you're traveling abroad.
I believe I'm in that category and statistic.
Me too.
Okay, Claudia, we hear that you have some information about an exciting new contest. Tell me about that.
Visa's launching a new cashless challenge. This is our second one in a year. It's the Visa Cashless Challenge International Travel Edition, where we are going to be sending one person and a travel companion on an international trip, cash-free. This is an exciting journey to take a cash-free adventure to a foreign country. They're going to have a choice between Thailand and Spain for their travel adventure, and each of these trips are curated specifically by social media travel influencers. Those travel influencers will also help the winner of the challenge become a social media star, learn how to post on social media, and we will guide them on going on this trip cash-free and encourage them to post about their experience doing that. The contest runs from now until June 15th, and it's a simple registration with a submission of a 2-minute video at visa.com/cashlesstravel.
That sounds fantastic. Now, there are a lot of great destinations out there. How do we go about spending our money wisely when we are abroad?
Yeah. When you're traveling, if you're going to use your Visa card, you want to find out who your credit card issuer is and look into making sure that you have a card that has 0 foreign transaction fees. This way you avoid coming home to a bunch of hidden fees and getting charged for all those foreign transaction fees. So make sure you have a card that has 0 foreign transaction fees. Many of them are offered out there. Using your Visa card, you also have 0 liability. Should something happen and fraudulent charges be made onto your card, you're going to have no liability for that with Visa. They give you that protection. So in addition to being more secure because you're not using cash, you've got that 0 liability behind you. You're also going to get better conversion rates. So when you make a purchase, you want to make a purchase in local currency when you're abroad for a better conversion rate. So those are just some of the examples of the benefits that you can have by going cash-free and using your Visa abroad.
Claudia, these are all wonderful travel tips. Where can we go for more information?
You can go to visa.com/cashless travel for the challenge and the contest, and we encourage everyone to sign up for that. And then for international travel tips, it's visa.com/travel study.
Great. Thank you so much again, Claudia. Time to start planning.
You bet. Thank you. Happy travels.